Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So literally, we're going to be looking at what is Oneopinion and how does it actually work. So Oneopinion is literally a website for a survey people who actually want to make money online by filling out some survey website, and you'll see different kind of offer from different kind of people who actually need your help to fill up some survey, and then you'll be able to make money from them. So Oneopinion is literally one of the websites which are actually paying people to fill out or to complete a survey and make money on the platform. And also I'll also share you what I actually found recently while I'm trying to make this video, so you can actually understand. But then it doesn't actually stop you to look out for Oneopinion survey website. So checking on the website actually says that help companies make better products and earn cash one opinion at a time. So like there are different kind of companies which will actually put up their offer on the website, probably like testing a website or app or downloading some kind of stuff online, and then give a feedback about a particular thing, and you'll be able to earn some commission on that particular task which you actually did. And there are different ways which Oneopinion can actually pay you, probably through PayPal and some other payment option which it's actually on the website. And the website actually have 3 different options where you can actually just sign up, take up a survey that you believe that you can actually do the best, then you get paid for any survey you complete on the website. And then signing up is actually for free, and it's less than a minute for you to sign up on the website, and you'll be able to get started and complete a survey on the website. So participate in interesting site study. So you have to just choose the one that actually best prescribed to what you actually need before you proceed on to complete that survey. So if you feel like that survey you cannot actually complete it, maybe the survey needs you to use your PC to complete that survey, or you don't have a PC and you literally want to use your mobile device, you literally have a mobile device, so you won't be able to complete that survey. So the next thing for you to do is just to proceed on to the next survey, and then you'll be able to complete that one. So once you complete that particular survey using a mobile device, then you'll be able to get paid. So there are different kind of ways you can actually get paid on Oneopinion, probably through gift card or PayPal. So I think we have 3 different kind of options which user can actually get paid through it. So members enjoy a fast payment, interesting survey, and awesome customer service, which means that if you have any issue within the platform, so you can reach out to the customer support, and then they will be very happy to help you. And most of the survey through the website is actually easy for everyone who doesn't even have any knowledge about online or completing anything online before. You can actually participate in this and be able to complete any task and be able to make payment. And they also disburse payment to every user as fast as possible, as long as you complete the survey as well as it's well detailed and you follow all the instructions laid down by any of the survey which you want to complete on the website. So this is another review from users who does use the survey Oneopinion to complete a survey and make money. So I love this site. I have cashed out frequently, and it's very easy to do so. If you are a good honest survey taker, this is the site you have been waiting for. Their honest customer service is outstanding, and the payout is really fast. So that is a review from Lisa, and another one from Cindy, another one from Dennis, and some other feedback from different kind of users who actually take up a survey on the website, which is Oneopinion, and they are able to make money from any survey which they complete on the platform, which is actually shows that the platform is actually great if you really want to use Oneopinion to complete a survey. So it's actually legit. You can check them out. And don't forget, I also want to share some features for you. So the fast and easy reward, which is actually 3 ways, which is Visa card, reward card, then PayPal, and the Amazon gift card. So there are different kind of options. There are 3 options which you can actually use to get paid on Oneopinion on any kind of survey you complete on the platform. So you can also read the About Us section here, which is also very important as well. The terms and conditions is also very important, and the privacy policy too is very important. So there are different kind of information which you'll be able to find on this particular section, so you'll be able to see how it's actually done. So checking on the member care. So this is the member care if you really want to ask a question or reach out to the customer support here. So how do I join the panel? What happened after I join? What it cost me, and will it cost me anything to join your panel? So these are the frequently asked questions from the platform. So if you also have any specific question you would like to get answer for, so you can just click on the contact us section here. So the contact us section, you'll be able to reach out to the Oneopinion customer support, and then you can choose any of the topic that are related to your queries. So you have account cannot log in, you have account reset security question, and some other different questions. So, and if the question listed here doesn't relate to what you need, then you can just click on order here. So with the order, you can list out your specific question, and you'll be able to fill everything out and then complete the whole stuff, and they'll be able to get back to you. And if you also have a file to upload, so that they'll be able to understand what you are trying to share with them, so definitely do that. That will also help them to understand what you need. So that is for the member care. And as I try to log into create an account using the platform, so I was able to see that the platform is actually not taking new user for now, but then you can keep on checking them to see when exactly they would like to open back to take new users. Probably there are a lot of users who are actually taking the software on the platform, so they don't want to get it rowdy, and then they want it to they want to have users who just be on the website without taking up any software or without seeing any offer to make money from the Oneopinion platform. So instead of that, they are not taking any new user currently. So the next thing for us to do is just to keep on checking on the platform to see when exactly they will have the poll will be open for new user to create an account or to register on Oneopinion website. So that's all I have for you in this video, and really there are a lot of people who are already on this platform already, and they are really making money. So this is all I have for you. If you have any question regarding Oneopinion review, kindly let me know through the comment section below. I'll be very happy to reply to your request as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.